When your UniFi Dream Router isn't working properly, systematic troubleshooting can quickly identify and resolve the issue. We'll start with power problems, then move to network connectivity issues. First, let's address power issues. If your UDR doesn't power on, start with these systematic checks. Check the power cable and try different power sources. Sometimes a faulty adapter or outlet is the culprit. If that doesn't work, unplug all cables and let the device sit unplugged for at least 2 hours. This allows capacitors to fully discharge. Try connecting to a different power outlet to rule out electrical issues at your current location. Consider using an uninterruptible power supply to prevent future power-related issues and protect your network equipment. If none of these steps work, the internal power supply may have failed and require replacement. For network issues, start by checking the LED status indicators. These provide immediate diagnostic information about your router's condition. A solid blue light indicates normal operation. Your router is functioning correctly. A white-blue off flashing pattern indicates recovery mode is needed. This suggests a firmware or configuration issue. A blue light flashing every 5 seconds indicates lack of network connectivity. Check your internet connection and cables. Next, verify that your UDR has a valid IP address. This is crucial for network communication. A normal IP address like 192.168.1 indicates proper network configuration. However, if you see a fallback IP of 192.168.1.20, this indicates configuration problems that need attention. When you see a fallback IP, check VLAN tagging settings, network overrides, and look for network loops or rogue DHCP servers. Several configuration settings can cause network connectivity issues. Let's check each one systematically. First, ensure VLAN ID tagging is correctly configured if required by your internet service provider. Verify your PPPoE credentials are correct if your ISP uses this authentication method. Check that DNS settings are properly configured. Try using public DNS servers like 8.8.8.8 for testing. Try lowering the MTU setting. Some networks require values below the standard 1500 bytes. Investigate IPv6 versus IPv4 issues by temporarily disabling IPv6 to see if connectivity improves. Use the UniFi interface to verify these settings and make necessary adjustments. Finally, let's address physical connectivity issues with cables and ports. Replace the Ethernet cable to rule out cable defects. Even new cables can be faulty. Ensure ports are correctly configured in the UniFi interface with proper speed and duplex settings. Enable smart queues in the Internet settings. This feature can resolve various connectivity issues. Test different physical ports to isolate whether the issue is port-specific or system-wide. By following these systematic troubleshooting steps for power and network issues, you can resolve most UniFi Dream Router problems efficiently and get your network back online. When your UniFi Dream Router experiences app connectivity issues or general problems, systematic troubleshooting through mobile apps and built-in tools can quickly identify and resolve most issues. The UniFi Network mobile app is your primary tool for setup and management. It provides comprehensive network statistics, device monitoring, and real-time performance metrics to help diagnose connectivity issues. The Wi-Fi Man app complements the UniFi Network app by helping you discover UniFi devices and verify their IP addresses. This is particularly useful when devices aren't appearing in your main network management interface. Sonos users may experience issues where the app loses rooms when moving between access points. This typically relates to network roaming configuration and requires checking access point settings and VLAN consistency. When other troubleshooting methods fail, a factory reset can resolve persistent issues. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds until the lights flash, then wait for the device to fully reboot before reconfiguring. Regular maintenance includes keeping firmware updated and monitoring traffic statistics. The traffic overview helps identify bandwidth-heavy applications and unusual usage patterns that might indicate connectivity issues or security concerns. Users commonly report connectivity issues with applications like Teams, Zoom, and Nest Cams. These problems often stem from VLAN ID tagging misconfiguration, PPPoE authentication issues, or firewall settings blocking necessary ports. The latest UDR7 model, released in March 2025, features Wi-Fi 7 support and improved network management capabilities. However, it has limitations, including a 2.3 gigabit per second IDS IPS throughput, which may be restrictive for multi-gigabit connections with security features enabled. The comprehensive network management dashboard provides real-time insights into your network's health and performance. Regular monitoring of these metrics helps identify issues before they impact user experience and ensures optimal network performance.